Hi all, welcome back to my channel Learn and Practice with the Teju. Today let us see about the substitution method and the cross multiplication method. In the last class we have seen elimination method. So the first question is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So we have to do, so the first x is equals to y 5 minus y as per the equation 1. This is an equation 1 and this is an equation 2. So x is equals to 5 minus y. How I got this one? I have taken this y to the RHS side. Now substitute the x value in the equation 2. Substitute x in equation 2. So 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. 2 into 5 minus y minus 3y equals to 4. 5 2 is 10 minus 2 into y is 2y minus 3y is equals to 4. 10 minus 2y minus 3y is 5y equals to 4. Now take the y variables to the one side. So 10 minus 4 is equals to 5y goes to the RHS means it will become plus. So 6 is equals to 5y. Y is equals to 6 by 5 we have got. Now substitute the y value in equation 1 to get the x value. So substitute in equation 1. So let us substitute in this only. So x is equals to 5 minus y. X is equals to 5 minus y value is 6 by 5. So x is equals to, here LCM is 5. Let us do the cross multiplication. 5 5 is 25 minus 6. So x is equals to 19 by 5. So we have got the x value 19 by 5. Last class I have checked whether we got the x value and the y value is correct or not. How to check? How to check means we have to substitute this x value and the y value in any equation. Now the next question is s minus t equals to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. So this is an equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now from then equation 1, what we have got, s is equals to 3 plus t. So s is equals to 3 plus t. So let us take the second equation, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. Now let us take the LCM for this 3 and 2. So LCM will be 6. So do cross multiply. So 2 into s is 2s plus 3 into t is 3t by 6 is equals to 6. So 2t plus 3t equals to 36. Cross multiply 6 into 6 36. Now sub 2t not 2s. 2s plus 3t is equals to 36. Now substitute then s is equals to 3 plus t in this equation. So 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t is equals to 36. 2 3 is 6. 2 into t is 2t plus 3t is equals to 36. 6 plus 5t is equals to 36. Now 5t is equals to 36 minus 6. 6 I will take to the RHS side. So it will become minus. So 5t is equals to 30. T is equals to 30 by 5. So t is equals to 6 we have got. Now we want s value. How can we substitute in the equation? We can substitute in the equation. S is equals to 3 plus t. So s is equals to 3 plus 6. S is equals to 9. So we have got the s is equals to 9. As in the last class in the elimination method, how I told to convert the decimal form into the normal integer form. How can we convert? If after the point if one digit is there means we have to multiply by 10. After the point if two numbers is there means we have to multiply by 100. So after the point only one number is there. So we have to multiply by 10. So 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3 into 10 multiply with 10. And 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3 into 10. Now it will become 0.2x into this whole equation we have to multiply with the 10. 0.2x into 10 is 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now we can directly substitute the 2x value in this, but here 4x is there, here 2x is there. Let us make then x coefficient same. How can we make the x coefficient same? By multiplying the equation 1 with the 2 and the equation 1 with the 1. It will become 4x plus 3 2 is 6y is equals to 26. This is 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now this is in equation 1 and this is equation 2. According to this equation, 4x is equals to from 26 minus 6y. So now substitute this one in the equation 2. So 4x means how much? 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Substitute this 4x in this equation. 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equals to 23. This one 26 minus 6y plus 5y, how much it will become? Minus 5 is equals to 23. So again y is equals to 3 we have got. Y is equals to 3 we have got. Substitute this y in the equation in this 4x form, we will get the x value. So substitute y is equals to 3 in where 4x is equals to 26 minus 6y. So 4x equals to 26 minus 6 into 3. So 4x is equals to 26 minus 18. 4x is equals to and x is equals to 8 by 4. So x is equals to 2. We have got x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Now let us see the cross multiplication method. See, for the cross multiplication only the one technique is there, we have to remember. So first we have to keep like this. Cross multiplication. At the starting we will get b1, b2. At the ending also we will get b1, b2. In the middle we have to write c1, c2 and here a1, a2. And this title is here x and this is y and this is 1. Now, so x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y will be c1 a2 minus c2 a1. 1 will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1. How I am multiplying? b1 c2 c1 b2 under the x, under the y will be c1 a2 c2 a1. Under the 1 close this one if you get confusion. Under the 1 what will become? a1 b2 a2 b1. Now let us see then problems. Convert these. 2x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now from the equation a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is equals to minus 5. a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to 2, c2 is equals to minus 8. How can we remember this formula? While writing then x, remove then a. While writing then y, remove the b, and while writing then last term, remove the c and write it. So here if you remove then a term, we will get b1 c2 b2 c1. If you remove the b term, you will get c1 a2 a1 c2. If you remove the c term, a1 b2 a2 b1. Now x by b1 is 1, c2 is minus 8, minus b2 is 2 and c1 is minus 5. Y by c1 is minus 5, a2 is 3, minus a1 is 2 and c2 is minus 8. That is goes to 1 by a1 is 2, b2 2, minus a2 3, b1 1. So x by 1 into 8, 8 plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, 5 2s are 10, y by 5 3s are 15 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 1 by 4 minus 3. So x by 10 minus 8 is 2, y by 16 minus 5 is 1 by 1. Now how can we get the next values? X is equals to 2 by 1, y is equals to 1 by 1. So x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1.